guys, new tutorial. I will show you how to install Numix Theme on Ubuntu 18.04. Okay, it is easy, just one command. Let's take it and open terminal. And it starts now to install. To change the theme you need a tweak, so you can install it via Ubuntu software and go to the search and here search for tweak. I have already installed, so here you will find installer, but in my PC I have already, so I will execute launch. And now let's change the theme for Numix. And this is a Numix Theme. So let's discover together. Let's open 5 for example, and this is Numix. So this is how to install Numix Theme on Ubuntu 18.04. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.